Today topic, nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition means nutritive food. The food which are rich in nutrition is called nutrition. Now sports nutrition, as sports nutrition is something different, balanced diet, and then patient nutrition is totally different, where you work according to the patient demand. But sports nutrition, where you work according to the athlete demand. And then nutrition, just a balanced diet you require for a healthy living every day. So you need macronutrients as well as micronutrients. Now macronutrient, first is carbohydrates, second is protein, and third is fat. These three components play very important role in our diet. And then micronutrients means where you need a small quantity of nutrients like vitamins and minerals. You need a small quantity of it. And then water you need to keep your body hydrated, to transfer all the nutrients. So water play a very important role. And then fiber. Well, if you are taking carbohydrate, fats, protein, but you are not adding fiber in your diet, then also difficult to get the digestion, right? Fiber help us to digest the food. We call fiber or roughage. So all these components play very important role. When your diet is rich with all these nutrients like carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamin and minerals, fiber, that is called complete balanced diet. Understand? So balanced diet play a very important role for the proper growth and development of an individual. Same way, water play important role to transport the nutrients, to keep your body hydrated, to cleanse your body as well through sweat, and you pass in the morning waste. So that way these nutrients help us to stay fit and healthy. So what is nutrition that is related to patient? That is called clinical nutrition, right? So patient, where you study, where you do study on patient, case study on the patient, like nephrologist problem. If someone has a kidney problem, then you have to make a different chart plan for them. If somebody is having a diabetes, then you have to work accordingly. Same way, whatever disorder they have, you have to work accordingly, right? In a sports field, we also give a diet plan as per the demand of the athlete. Thank you. See you in my next video, where I will elaborate properly what is vitamin and mineral and types of fat.